It's Frankenmill again. I've already set this up to the right thickness with the manual handle that goes here. Take it off to get it out of the way for the real production run. I'm at the end of a run of 100 of these using this plate. It's a hardened tool steel plate. It stayed very flat. It didn't gain any more curvature from running 100 of these. Hard enough to stay flat, soft enough not to damage your rollers, obviously. So I try to make these at a certain range of hardness that will stay flat in the rolling mill and press, but not so hard that they damage the rollers or maybe crack in the press. So this is 26 gauge copper, and I'm using a material that's pretty much the same thing as a like soda pop cartons or possibly mailing envelope, that sort of thing. And I decided to the last second, it's only 12 thousandths thick, and it worked fine, pretty good with one layer. I decided the last minute to use 2 layers, so, and I decided to use a new layer on bottom and an old layer on top, just to save myself having to cut extra pieces. And this plate is big enough so that I'm not worried about it grabbing, the rolling mill grabbing me. On small ones, I'll use a pair of snub nose pliers to hold the plate and feed it in there. Not needle nose pliers. It'll grab needle nose pliers, but it won't grab your regular slip joint snub nose pliers. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So that thickness, 12 thousandths, is also 12 mil or 12 point. They all mean the same thing. 2 layers would be 24. But as I said, it works. These plates that I'm making are pretty shallow. Most of them are very shallow, and so they don't need a lot of depth, which makes them easier to deal with. And there you have it.